25% people in this world do not invest time in networking, some due to the fear of networking, some because they feel they don't need it. Which side are you on? And if you're amongst those 25%, then I have something very important for you. So keep watching, and I'm going to share with you how to network effectively on a virtual platform. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that right away. So a few years ago, I was amongst these 25%, not because I didn't need networking, because I thought, why would anybody want to network with me? I feared it, and I thought very less about myself. Well, not anymore today, and that's the reason I'm here sharing with you tips how to network effectively. And today it's all about virtual networking. So in today's times where everything is virtual, I'm going to share some quick tips to network virtually. First tip, do small talk. Yes, even on a virtual platform, do small talk if important. We do have virtual networking events, so engage in small talk. That's the only way to start a conversation and break the ice. It is going to help you get a lot of business and build relations. So the second one, please address somebody by their names if you know their names. It's a respectful way to handle any conversation and continue networking. Third one, even on a virtual platform as well as through conversations over chats and emails, try to avoid sending one word or one phrase replies. It is not an effective way to communicate and network. It might get you on the wrong side of networking. Now the fourth one is very effective even for face-to-face networking as well as for virtual networking, and that's be an active listener. I know some people really don't like to listen because they want to interrupt and say their point. However, it is important to network and it is important to listen while doing that. And that helps you to build that conversation in a fruitful direction. You might end up with a good business deal. Who knows if you're in a business networking space? So be an active listener. Now, this is something which many people do, and you should not be doing it. It's as good as ghosting. People suddenly finish a conversation. If you need to end a conversation, ensure that you lead it to an end and you exit that conversation in a friendly manner, even if it's through a chat, an email, or you're interacting virtually. Right? Now, this one is a very important part of networking, personal or professional. After you have met the person, immediately follow up. It can just be a small thank you message, thanking the person for their time, that it was great meeting them. It just strengthens the bond that you might have created during networking. And this personal touch can help build better relationships in the future, personal or professional again. Think about it, always follow up. And in today's time, social media plays such an important role. So when you're networking, leverage on social media and its power. Connect with those people on the social media, network on the social media, and follow them. Get to know what they really like, get to know what they really do. This can help you connect in such a strong way that you can end up with a fruitful business deal or a personal relation a little later. Who knows what it might turn into. So these were very, very quick tips. There are loads of other tips for networking. I think I'm going to come back with another video where I'm going to share general tips on networking, not just virtual networking, but normal face-to-face networking. And in the meantime, do let me know if any of these tips helped you and if they were useful. And go ahead and network. I'm going to see you next week. And until then, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that right away. I'm going to see you next week.